inside my fantasies and made each one come true. Something no one else had ever found a way to do. I kept the memories one by one since you took me in, and I know I'll never love this way again. I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone.
Okay, magpa-piercing sila Blue. Huwag tanga. Let's go. Let's go. Sakit.
This way again.
Tidak, yan na lang. Mas okay yan.
This way again. So
Hila ka?
before the good is gone, and I know why this way again.
Gusto na ayos?
Alcohol. Ano man?
I know I'll never love this way again, so I keep holding on before the good is gone. I know I'll never love this way again. Hold on.
Sila kaon. And the going back thing.
Do it all, everything on our own. We don't need anything.
Bias yun.
Ano bias man?
Kamu nagkanta ka ganina, dire-diretso. Tapos kami na nagkanta ka, maray na nag-play.
So bias din. Ano bias na?
Bias yun.
Ay, balik lang.
Ano ba? Ayun na paing lang yan.
Ano ba?
Uy, duty ko alas 3.
Duty man sa ko, iguan. Next day.
Day off ka.
Wala sila. Yes, sir.
I-play na ba?
I-play na nag-inaho. Nag-loading pa. Tiray! Oh. Sarap.
Balik na. Nang video.
Things
bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing cars around our heads. I need your grace to remind me to find my own. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget?
I already have the one. Noise! So 2 copies for us.
Show me a garden that's bursting into
Let's go, my loves.
all that I am, all that I ever was here in your perfect eyes. They're all I can see. And I don't know when, confused about how as well. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Dami pang gustong sabihin, ngunit wag na lang muna. Hintayin na lang ang hangin, tangayin ang salita. Wag mo akong sisihin, mahirap ang tumaya. Dagat nasisisiring kahit walang mapala. Pag nilahan ang damdamin, sana'y magbagong pagtingin. Aminin ang mga lihim.
Okay.
Bakit laging ganito?
Bakit ko nang order sa Bulacan? Lima, no? Order ba? Ito si pandemic ba? Ano ito ba yan? Balik sa Bulacan. Hi, vlog. Welcome to my class.
Hi, vlog. Welcome to my
Already
video.
close in there.
Mahirap ang tumaya.
Tapos dili lagi may lang. Wag tanga dia.
Seryo?
Kana.
Ay, kitong anak. Teneng. Teneng. Ah. Ganun kata.
Serious. Do it. It's supposed to be doorway. And let's just guess where we're going. We don't have any work. Bacolod. Not a Bacolod. We're going to doorway. Doorway. Door 8. 8 mo na yung no. Di, door 8 mo na yun. Buong mo na ito sila eh. Yeah. So we're going to Alcoy with Tina, Migoys, and friends. And Trent, let's go. And with teacher Lovely. And teacher's Lovely. Shout out to teacher's pet. Let's go. So currently now guys, nata sa kwan. Nata sa terminal. Door 8. Is this door 4? So door 6 here. Finally we arrived at the door. Let's go. So already have the alright, and that is dealing with the ticket. And let's go. Oh, how are you? You good? Let's go. And let's go. This door is open. And let's tell the teachers Lovely. Where? Kanino? Hotel barato daw. Let's go. So here's a bus. There's not yet people around here, and we just put in. Let's go. Let's go, Mikoy. Let's go.
Gaano kabilis nagsimula?
Let's go.
Kung katuloy na
Mga ka-busy.
Aari ba tayong
Let's go,
balik sa umpisa upang di
Ang ginawa ko na may available na pan. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Papa may pagkaon! Papa may pagkaon! Ay, kami latest.
Pagmamahal sa'yo, ako'y gising na sa panaginip kong ito, at sa wakas ay kusang lalayo sa'yo, lalayo sa sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng tadhana. Minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y paasa. Tatakbo papalayo, kakalimutan ang lahat. Lumingon, nasusulyapan ng kahapon, at sa aking bawat paghinga, ikaw nasa isip ko, sinta. Mga putang ina, let's go kuya.
Jello. Jello. Let's go. Let's go.
Mamahal sa'yo, ako'y gigising na mula sa panaginip ko.
Public market. Let's go.
Kasa'y kusang lalayo sa'yo, lalayo sa iba nga ito ang iyong gusto. sana ako.
Hello. Let's go.
Ay, nag-go.
Uy. Kita rin nag-story naman. Wow, ganit. Tinay.
Paamoy daw.
Wow, ganit. Murag ka mo.
Daw.
Wow, ganit.
Paamoy na. Yung camera.
Wow, ganit. Nasa. Imo sa. Imo.
Lawakan, pangalan mong isisigaw sa ilalim ng buwan.
Let's go, guys. So here in Alcoy, night swimming in the evening. At night, I mean. Night swimming. Good night. Let's go.
Hanggang di mo mamalayang ako na palang iyong kailangan at gusto mong pamahalaan. Tila'y rosas na pula, labi mong nagsasalita. Kay sarap itigil ang oras, maaari italit iposas ang iyong mga tingin. Labis ang mga ningning, oh panaginip ka. Ayaw nang gumising pa. Sa ilalim ng kalawakan, pangalan mong isisigaw. Sa ilalim ng buwan ay titigan at hawakan aking kamay. Isasayaw ka ng dahan-dahan hanggang di mo mamalayang ako na pala yung kailangan at gusto mong pamahalaan.
Ang panaw.
patunayan sa'yo sinta, pero naiintindihan ko naman, iniiwasan mo lang masaktan. Di ka madedehado kung sasagutin mo lang